Today we're reviewing the Yokohama ADVAN Sport V107, a flagship ultra-high-performance summer tire designed for sports cars, luxury sedans, and performance SUVs that demand precise handling, confident grip, and engaging driving dynamics. The V107 features an asymmetric tread pattern with 4 wide circumferential grooves that efficiently evacuate water and resist aquaplaning, while its reinforced center rib and rigid shoulder blocks enhance straight-line stability and cornering precision in both dry and wet conditions. The advanced silica-enriched compound stays flexible across a broad temperature range, delivering strong traction and improved wear resistance without sacrificing responsiveness. Many drivers praise this tire for its exceptional dry handling and sharp steering response, noting that it feels planted and communicative on twisty back roads and highways alike. Owners also highlight confident braking and solid wet performance, making the V107 a welcome upgrade with better all-around control. While high-speed ride refinement and feedback are priorities, it balances performance with everyday usability for drivers who enjoy an engaging drive. Here's a useful insight. The internal construction of the ADVAN Sport V107 combines a sophisticated carcass and reinforcement technology that helps maintain consistent road contact even under aggressive cornering. This means you get both excellent handling precision and more even tread wear over time, which supports quieter road manners and longer service life. In summary, the Yokohama ADVAN Sport V107 delivers a refined blend of responsive handling, confident traction, and durable performance, making it a strong choice for performance-focused drivers. If you've used these tires on your vehicle, drop a comment below and share your experience.